Carbon fiber was used in the construction of the basement. When the floor slab cracks, use sealant to seal the gap. Later, carbon fiber boards were used to reinforce the floor slabs. A total of 63 columns under the basement have all had their cross-sections increased. The cross-section of the column above the basement should also be increased. All the main buildings are surrounded by HUM 120 steel bonding structural adhesive. We used all hammer reinforcement materials in this Langfang project.